how artificial intelligence could be utilized in pharmacovigilance. I have a perfect example from my position at Inpharmatis, where I was leading a product development team at data product owner, and we were developing a tool to process pharmacovigilance records in accordance with E2B R3 ICSR standards, and it was during coronavirus period, so amount of this data was quite huge, and we weren't able to process this information manually. So artificial intelligence here was quite useful. My goal was to develop a tool with AI on the background, which will allow our team to process all this information in required timeline. And as a result, I started with development of natural language processing tooling utilizing NLTK, spaCy, Python libraries, and these tools were used to extract data entities from natural language texts to identify adverse events mentioned in medical records or in medical literature and scientific literature. And this data was stored in a SQL database based on PostgreSQL, and I managed to utilize bash scripts to process the pipeline of data extraction, transformation, and loading into the resulting system. And all these records were automatically transferred from one part of the system to another, and later to health authorities with API utilization in total compliance with requirements from GDPR and GVP. This platform resulted in 25% higher capacity of the amount which could be processed by our team in extreme settings of coronavirus, and also we managed to reduce up to 30% of errors in these entries because they were proved with automation. So it's a quite interesting example how digital technologies could be utilized in a strictly regulated environment, and how Python and SQL could be used to process data entries related to health issues, and how they could be transferred into knowledge which could be utilized in a regulatory system.